Welcome back to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets. Today we have some exciting news from the world of game development. Former EA DICE leaders have reunited to form a brand new AAA studio called Time to Kill Games, based in Stockholm, Sweden. In this video we will delve into the most important details about this new studio and what they have in store for us. So let's get started. Time to Kill Games, or TTK Games for short, is led by Lars Gustafsson, the former creative director of the Battlefield series at EA DICE. Gustafsson, along with 3 other talented founders, is determined to create something unique and innovative in the gaming industry. Currently, the studio consists of 7 passionate individuals, but they have ambitious plans to scale up their team to between 80 and 120 employees. TTK Games is already working on a new shooter game utilizing the powerful Unreal Engine. Alongside Gustafsson, the team includes Daniel Berlin as the senior design director, who previously worked at Ubisoft and Vivendi, and most recently served as the lead world designer and design director on Battlefield. Vidar Nygren, the chief technical officer and technical director, has been with DICE since 1996 and played a pivotal role in the development of the Frostbite engine. Lastly, Peter Hoyles, the art director, brings his expertise from DICE LA Studio and Skydance New Media to TTK Games. During an interview with GameIndustry.biz, the founders emphasized that TTK Games is not just a gathering of former DICE employees. They believe in a blend of experience and fresh perspectives, welcoming young and untainted minds to bring radically different ideas to the table. Stockholm, the home of TTK Games, is known for its strong education system around game development. The team attributes the abundance of talented developers in Sweden to smart investments in home computers, the explosion of the internet, and a tech-savvy population. They believe that this culture of innovation and passion for games has led to Sweden's success in various creative fields. The founders also shared their commitment to a collaborative and transparent working environment. They value the principles of Jantelagen, a Swedish concept that promotes humility, teamwork and shared responsibility. The team at TTK Games aims to foster a diverse and inclusive environment where ideas can come from anyone and everyone. Despite their extensive experience, the founders of TTK Games are determined not to rely solely on their past achievements. They are keen on exploring new directions and ensuring that their games offer something fresh and unique. They want to challenge themselves and shake off any tendencies to repeat what they have done before. Building a multiplayer shooter is an ambitious endeavor, especially in such a competitive market. The TTK Games team acknowledges this challenge and is focused on creating a game that stands out from the rest. They aim to deliver a unique experience and develop their own secret sauce that will make their game truly special. Interestingly, TTK Games is taking a different approach to game design. Instead of starting with core mechanics and movement, they are beginning with the meta, the overarching gameplay elements. This way, they believe they can create a stronger and more cohesive experience. The founders are well aware of the risks and challenges they face, but they have the financial stability and the time to build a solid foundation for the studio and their first project. They emphasize the importance of taking their time, iterating on ideas, and finding the gold nugget that will make their game shine like a diamond. Check out their website, they are also recruiting, and who knows, maybe one day they will become a public company and we can invest ourselves. Thanks for watching guys, see you the next time, bye bye.